Hello class, welcome to week 1 of Child Adolescent Psychopathology and Child Abuse Training. So, as always, make sure you check the announcement section. Excuse me. It's important to do this when you first sign into class. Click on announcements and see what I've communicated during the last time you've been at Blackboard from now. With week 1, click on the week 1 tab. And when it loads, you will see at the top here, there's different formats for helping you to stay on track during your weeks. So this graph here shows the various expectations in regards to the ungraded work with reading chapter 1, reading the additional materials that I'll review here in a bit. Go to week 2 for the vignette and prepare for it. I'll talk about that and to sign up for a topic on the wiki. Your graded work this week will be to fill out the acknowledgement of course requirements, your introduction in the student lounge, the discussion board, and quiz 1. If you click on this file, you will see a similar thing. There's several quotes to think about, an introduction to what we're going to be covering throughout the week, the course learning objectives that are connected to the various assignments and reading of the week, and then there's another graph that you can utilize if you so wish to check off when you've completed each of the required assignments. So that's the main topic of the week. All right, the remaining materials, the remaining folders are course materials, assignments, and activities. And this is how it's going to be structured for each of the weeks. The course materials section is simply that. There's a PowerPoint included in here. Now, you can utilize this PowerPoint if you wish during the Adobe Connect synchronous session, but mine will be slightly different. I do want to tell you that. I've adapted mine to my lecture, and as a result, it's not going to look exactly the same. So you'll be able to utilize this as an outline, but know that ours aren't going to be identical. So that's under the course materials. If you go down to the course assignments, with assignments, this is what's going to be due through the week. So think about it that way. Click on the course assignments. You're going to see the acknowledgement of course requirements. So for this, it says that you're going to read all the materials under the course information tab. As I've highlighted in my previous video, once you read on the materials, click on the acknowledgement of course requirement link. State that you have read and understood all the course requirements, so type that in the text box, and that you know how to use Adobe Connect, or that you're working on becoming more familiar with it. Type your name and your date. And again, this can be written in the comment section. So you're simply going to click on this, and it's going to take you to that page. So you can write in the comment sections those things that you needed to do, submit it, and then at that time you'll be given the points once I grade it. So that's the first thing in the assignments that's graded this week. In regards to the topic signup, this is directly related to the discussion board. So I'm going to review the discussion board first. So it says, before writing this discussion board, go to the activities folder under chapter 1 and go to the Child's Trends website. So let's rewind and do that. Go back to week 1. We're going to look at the activities folder down here, and you're going to find the Child Trends website. It's going to ask you to click on this website, and you're going to have to pick a topic from the website. So let's go back quickly and go back to week 1, and this time we're going to go back to assignments and look at the discussion board. So it says to go to the Child Trends website, which again is located under the activities. Find a link to the website under week 1 activities folder. So at that time, you're going to click on the Infants and Child or Adolescence folder. So once again, let's look back. You have these different sections, and you're going to click on one of them. And then you're going to pick one topic and go to the wiki paper to sign up for the topic. So once again, you're going to go to the Activities folder, click on the Child Trends website. You're going to click on Infant, Young, Child, or one of the tabs, and figure out one of these different topics that you're going to sign up for. Once you've done that, you're going to click on the wiki topic sign up up here. And at that time, you're going to put your name in, the date, the topic, and the age group, and click comment. your name will be saved as well as the topic that you chose and the age group. Do not, repeat again, do not remove anyone else's information. So let's go back to week 1 assignments again and review what we've talked about. So with the discussion board, you're going to go to the activities folder, go to the Child Trends website, pick a topic, fill it out on the topic sign-up sheet so that you're claiming that. The note is here that no 2 students may use the same topic. Everyone in the class should have a different topic. There's plenty of articles under the infant and children or the adolescents folder. So once you've selected that topic, you're going to claim it. After you've done that, you're going to respond to these 4 different prompts for your initial post. Your initial post is due Wednesday by midnight. I know there's a lot of courses that state Thursday, but for this class it's Wednesday by midnight. You're to respond to all the above. You are to respond to at least 2 classmates Sunday by midnight. And then here's a little prompt in regards to what your response would be. So again, these are all kind of interwoven, the topic sign up and the discussion board. You have quiz number 1 that you are to complete as well for grading. And I'm actually going to add in here so that it's remembered about the intro post as well. So that is what's under assignments. And as I was mentioning here, it says Introduction in Student Lounge. So that's graded too. So I'm going to add a link in the assignments, but in the meantime, you go to the discussion board and you will find it right here. Welcome to the Student Lounge. What I want you to do is you're to post a video introduction and answer some or all these different points so we can get to know you a little bit. I know that it's not fun being on video. I don't enjoy it either, but it really does allow for us to connect with one another in this class. So make sure that you review the netiquette protocols. And this is just about when speaking in the lounge, right in paragraph format. But for the intro, you are to post a video introduction. This is worth 5 points. And then I have included in here a video about Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I use to do all my videos. You don't have to use Screencast-O-Matic. You can utilize another application. But this video will help you if you want to use Screencast-O-Matic to post your video. So that is what's required for grading this week. Again, let's go back to week 1. You will find all of those with the exception of, at this point, the intro, but I'm going to add that in assignments. And then under activities, this is where you have some additional resources. So there's the Child Trends website, and then there are 3 different videos about abuse. Now, I do want to let you know that some of these videos are very intense. The material that we're going to be talking about in this class is very intense as well. So be prepared for that. Make sure that you have space and some time to take care of yourself after you watch these videos. I just really think it's important to give that caveat as well. There's some intense materials in this class. So that's basically it for week 1. You have these basic charts to help you. Materials has the PowerPoint. Assignments is everything that is due. I'm going to add the discussion intro board in there. And the activities are various resources with the exception of number 1, which will help you with your discussion board that you're going to be engaging with the class. So that is it. Please let me know if you have any questions. There's a lot of material in this class. I look forward to seeing you on Monday for our Adobe Connect class, and I will post another announcement about just some systems checks for you to go through in order to be successful during that time together. But remember, it is required, and I know it's the beginning of the week, so you're probably not going to be reading much of the materials yet, but I really look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.